Greetings to one and all. I am Mr. Sambhajirao Suryavanshi. Once again, coming back to you all with an interesting and very useful topic. The topic is giving directions in English. My friends, you know it well. Sometimes what happens when you visit a different town or city for the first time, you don't have idea about the destination, about the spot location where you want to go. You are totally confused. Which bus, which road, which way to go. You don't have any idea. Then in that situation, you go to a stranger and ask for that particular address, spot, place where you want to go. Now here, in today's PowerPoint presentation, I am going to talk about how to ask for the directions and how to give directions in English. So, I request one and all to pay very close attention to what I say in my today's PowerPoint presentation. So, welcome one and all. So, my friends, let us start today's topic on giving directions in English. First of all, let's see how to ask for the directions. If you are a stranger in a town or city and if you don't know the way to reach at your destination, don't hesitate. Feel free to contact any stranger on the road and just request him, ask for the direction. What way you can ask for direction? Here is a list of questions. Just take a look through this. I am looking for this address. Would you please tell me how can I get there? How do I find this school? Excuse me, how can I get to this place? Are you from around here? Excuse me, gentlemen, could you show me the way to the post office, please? When you ask questions like this, you just wait for the response from the stranger. And suppose if it is your turn to give the proper direction to someone, you can use one word, two words or few words to give the proper direction to the stranger, such as go up, it's on the corner, go straight, just cross the bridge, go along the river side, turn to the left, turn to the right, go down the bridge, go past the supermarket, take this road and go straight. It's about 1 kilometer from here. Take the first road on the right side, take the second road on the left. It's next to the cinema theatre. It's opposite to the Bank of India. It's in front of Ganesh temple. You are on the proper way. Sorry, mister, you are on the wrong direction. My friends, when you just give the proper guideline by using one or two words or few words, just take a look on this slide, you will understand. Go straight. Just two words are used. Go straight until you see the hospital, then turn left. Again, suppose turn left, turn to the left. Turn left when you see a roundabout. Turn to the right. Turn right at the end of the road and my house is number 67. Go past this railway track, go past this bridge, go past this road. You can give directions like this. Now see, for example, by using the words like cross, go along, around the corner, between, behind, you can give proper directions to the strangers. Just see, for example, cross. If you cross the street, you will find a bookstore there. Cross the junction and keep going for 1 mile, 1 kilometer. Go along the main road until you find the gas station. Around the corner, the museum is just around the corner. Between, you can find the coffee shop between the office building and the movie theater. Behind, there is a nice park behind the parking lot. Again, my friends, you can use some other word or word expressions such as turn back or go back, go down, go over, go through. Just see, for example, if you get to the bridge, you went too far, you will have to turn back. Go down the hill, and you will find the entrance to the park. Go over. To get to the building, you have to go over the walkway. Go through. Take a shortcut to the school going through the park only. Another words or word expressions you can use to give the proper guideline or the directions to the strangers in your town or city, such as go up, in front of, beside, near. See, for example, go up the hill and you will find the medicinal plant. In front of, my bungalow is in front of Hotel Sayaji. Beside, my school is beside the church. Near, I live near the Jijamata garden. My friends, I hope that in my today's PowerPoint presentation on the topic giving directions in English, I tried my level best to give very useful words, word expressions which will be very helpful for you to ask for the directions and to give directions to the strangers. I am confident about the fact the topic is very, very important in your everyday communication, in your spoken English. That's why try to pick up the fluency and build your confidence and use such word expressions while asking for the directions and giving directions to the strangers. My friends, to conclude my today's PowerPoint presentation, I would like to request every one of you, please like my video, share and comment my videos, do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for my upcoming videos in spoken English, personality development, education, motivation and so on. Thank you for your patient hearing and I wish everyone good health, good luck and very wonderful time. Thank you one and all.